We are overlooking the BNSF Fox Street engine terminal in Denver, Colorado. Approaching from the 31st Street yard is a yard job switching cars. Power for the yard job is BNSF 1579 and SD40-2R, rebuilt from the Santa Fe 5637 and SD45-2. The 1579 is a unique rebuild as it is an SD40-2 and an SD45-2 car body. The SD45-2 and SD40-2 are both built on the same frame, however, the SD45-2 has a longer rear hood, and because of this, the SD45-2 can appear to be longer than similar model locomotives. The 1579 was rebuilt in 2014 and designated as an SD40-2R. The main focus of the rebuild involves downgrading the prime mover from 3,600 horsepower to 3,000 horsepower. Other upgrades are often made during the rebuild process, like updating the cab. However, these can vary based on the condition of the locomotive prior to being rebuilt. BNSF mainly uses rebuilds like this in yard service around their system. As older units have been retired over the years, the SD40-2s have been pushed into yard service. While it is not as glorious as the main lines these units once worked on, they are still safe in regular service, earning their keep. Thanks for watching. If you like SD40-2s, do not forget to subscribe for future rail fanning videos.